Cosmo, I heard you yell. Are you okay? What happened to your hoodie?
No, it's okay, Sprout. It's just frosting.
Frosting? The recipe that uses the pink food dye? I have to go tell Tisha.
Sprout, wait. It's nothing to freak about, okay? I'll just take the hoodie off and we'll go talk to Tisha.
Oh, yes, of course.
Together.
That makes more sense.
Okay, we can go now.
Oh, do you have something to get these stains out, Tisha? Yeah, it's just some frosting. Some generic stain remover will get it out just fine. Thank goodness, it's an easy fix.
Of course it's an easy fix. It's just some frosting.
I know. I was just so worried. Isn't that your favorite hoodie?
Well, yeah, but I have other white hoodies. It's not a huge deal.
Well, it's a big deal for me. You're my best friend. Even a small issue like this makes me worry a bunch.
You worry too much.
Of course I do. I can't imagine not being there for you in tough situations.
Oh, stop. You're being too kind. This is all over frosting.
Okay. All done. Toss it in the washer and it should be good as new.
Oh, thank you so much, Tisha.
Yeah, of course. It's no problem at all.
They are gay as heck!
It's getting late. We should rock, paper, scissors for whose room we stay in tonight.
Right, we should.
Guess it's your room tonight.
Yeah.
Also, you can borrow one of my hoodies tonight, okay?
You really don't have to.
It's not really a problem at all.
Fine, if you insist. I definitely need to figure out why I even want to kiss Sprout. I should talk to Ginger about it. We plan to hang out and eat cake I made anyway. Yes, that's what I'll do. I'll talk to Ginger and figure out what.
Like, it is me, Brisa, Delaney's cousin, aka the channel that you are on right now. So I voiced over Tisha and Sprout in this, and I also put those funny voice background things about saying gay, yaoi, and that they are gay as heck kind of thing. And like, I made this art that you're literally seeing right in front of you. So like, bye. Subscribe to my cousin's channel. I love y'all. Me and her will do many more of these. As me, as the main character, my voice is so good. It's better than hers. But we were having a sleepover. We're having a sleepover right now, right as you're seeing this. So like, meow, meow, meow. I'm the oldest cousin. I'm much older than her by like a few.
You're only a year older.
Yeah, I'm a year older. You get. Anyways, bye. I love y'all.
Like a 30-year-old.
Bye. I love y'all.